In this video, a brief difference between the two giants of commercial aviation is described. Boeing and Airbus are the world's two largest commercial aircraft manufacturers. Both produce highly advanced jets, but they differ in philosophy, design approach, cockpit logic, and operational feel. Boeing, pilot authority first. Traditional yoke control. Less computer intervention during manual control. Pilots feel more connected to the aircraft. Emphasis on manual flying skills. Strong mechanical feedback. Airbus. Fly-by-wire plus automation first. Side stick controller. High level of automation computers limit unsafe maneuvers. Protections. Highly standardized cockpit layout across all models. Pilot workload reduced through automation. There is no universal winner. It depends on what you value. If you prefer manual flying, feel in Boeing. More hands-on, traditional controls. Pilot-driven philosophy. If you prefer automation and efficiency, in Airbus, highly automated. Safer envelope protections, standardized training.